And developing now, the Supreme Court is taking up a case out of Tennessee that could impact how states care for transgender minors across the country.
Courtney Sisk is joining us now to share why local LGBTQ+ groups fear that it could impact their rights in Illinois. Courtney.
Hi, Alex. Tennessee is not the only state with bans for kids to have gender-affirming care. There are about 24 states who have similar laws in place. Illinois is not one of them. The state has several laws protecting transgender care, but for many, a Supreme Court ruling could be the final word for how state-level courts rule in the future.
There is no place for politicians in our family's own private medical decisions.
Opposition Wednesday as the Supreme Court takes up trans pushback in Tennessee after the state barred gender-affirming methods for minors like puberty blockers and hormone therapy.
These bans are cruel. Like all families, parents with transgender youth want what is best for their children.
Trans care activists in Chicago are sounding the alarm, saying they believe this is just the beginning of further restrictions for their community.
For me, I know that it's deeper than children, right? We know that there's a bigger concept behind that, and that's just the low-hanging fruit, transgender kids.
Zahara Bassett began utilizing gender-affirming care at 17 years old.
It was crucial for me because I have always identified as a woman, felt like a little girl inside, have bruises on my chin to prove it of me falling in my grandmother's heels at 5 years old.
The Supreme Court seemed skeptical, with Justice Brett Kavanaugh questioning European countries who have started to pump the brakes on treatment due to lack of evidence that puberty blockers help with gender dysphoria.
Our position is that it is careless, it is unethical, and it is harmful, and it needs to be stopped.
Shannon Adcock is the founder of Awake Illinois, a nonprofit organization advocating against gender-affirming care for kids.
They should have until they are in their adult time, after they have grown and gone through puberty, to pursue any number of, options that they want to as adults.
Those advocating for trans kids and their care say they expect an influx of people to come to Illinois and other states that have laws protecting them. The court, which has a 6-3 conservative majority, will have a decision by the end of their term in June. Alex.
Courtney, thank you so much.